Hey guys, welcome to my channel Partiv CK. I am Partiv and today let's learn Swedish numbers 0 to 100. Let's start with 0 to 20. 0, 0. Ett, ett. Två, två. Tre, tre. Fyra, fyra. Fem, fem. Sex, sex. Sju, sju. Åtta, åtta. Nio, nio. Tio, tio. Now that is how you learn 0 to 10. Now let's learn from 11 to 20. Elva, elva. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. Sugar, sugar. And that is how you learn 0 to 20. Now let's learn 30, 40, 50, 60 till 100. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. And that is how you count 0 to 100. You might think why we skipped between numbers like 28 to 74, like those numbers. I will give you an example like how do you say in English 24? It is, you put like 20 plus a 4. So in Swedish the same way. You know how to say 20, right? It is sugar, right? And you know how to say 4 is fyra. So sugar fyra. And I will give you one more example like 3. How do you say 33 2? Like in English too, you like the same, you have to put like the 30 and a 3. You know how to say 30, right? Is 30. So 33. That is how you say in Swedish 33. Let me give you some more examples. Like you say 54, right? You know how to, in English you say, how do you say 50 in 4? 54. In the same way in Swedish, you know how to say 50. That is 50. And how do you say 4? Fyra. So 54. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you press that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Pretty easy.